What's going on, everyone? I thought I'd talk about opportunity here because, look, I've just been offered an opportunity for being in the right place at the right time with the right experience. This is how powerful selling on Amazon, having the experience of the know-how to sell on Amazon can be. So I've just been offered someone's their reject private label products. So this was a private label product that they tried and it didn't work for them. And I've just checked all the keywords, the stats and everything like that, the price that I can buy it for, and it looks like we can make some good money off this. Obviously I'll have to do an update video to confirm, but the reason they can't make it work is not because the product is too saturated necessarily. The fact that they can't make it work is because they haven't got the experience that I have got. And this may go for you as well for watching this video. Or if you're a beginner, you'll know that this is the possibility of what could happen to you as well. You get offered opportunity for being in the right place at the right time. We are in the right place at the right time with the right knowledge and the experience. The more you grow, the more experience you have, the more opportunities you are going to get given, the more opportunities that are going to appear to you. Once you have the knowledge and the know-how to sell on Amazon, to rank products on Amazon, to create listings on Amazon, to do PPC on Amazon, once you have the basic knowledge of that, or media knowledge, high advanced knowledge, depending on your experience, the opportunities can be endless. And I wouldn't be able to take this opportunity. I wouldn't be able to make the money we're just about to make from this deal, possibly, unless I had the experience. So it just goes to show that if you stick with something, if you put in the work, gain the experience, later on down the line, you could see big opportunities like this come to you too. So I hope that video has helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Quick interruption to introduce my new sponsor. So I'm now sponsored by BuyBot Pro. BuyBot Pro is an Amazon FBA product research tool and calculator. Not only can you work out your fees, how much profit you're going to be making from your products, but there's multiple products within the service of this software, including a built-in Keeper type graph. Therefore, if you have this, you don't need Keeper. Loads of other features on this tool. If you want a 14-day free trial for BuyBot Pro, which I've been using for years now, check out the link below, get that 14-day free trial. And let's carry on with the video.